Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutsell speaking. In this video, we are going to examine icon set number 5, shape and line for the Google Slide Deck series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on shape, the following options appear. I can choose a shape from the predetermined selection available within Google Slides. For this tutorial, I'm going to select the smiley face shape. When I click on it, my cursor changes. I now have to click and drag to create the shape within my Google slide. If I double click within the shape, I can write text within it. I can also, if need be, right click over a shape and then change it if I made an incorrect selection. For the line tool, I can click on the down arrow and select a line I would like to add within my Google slide. There's also a polyline tool, which can be used to create unique shapes within Google Slides. For the purposes of the tutorial, I'm going to create an arrow. When I click on the arrow option, my cursor changes again. I have to click and then drag where I would like the arrow to go. I have the opportunity to adjust the formatting of the arrow by using the tools available here. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.